Exercise 4. Prepare terminations, crimping cable ends.
Dear students, in this exercise, you will come to know how to fix the lug at the cable ends, which is nothing but crimping of cable ends. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to skim the cable end, select the crimping lug that suits the wire size and the terminal size. Select the crimping pliers that match the selected crimping lug size. Use the crimping pliers to crimp the lug at the cable end. Use an eyelet crimping pliers to prepare eyelet terminations.
Requirements: tools and instruments. Wire stripper, that is manual, 200 mm, one number. Crimping pliers, 150 and 200 mm, one number. Wire stripper, auto eject or manual, 200 mm, one number. Steel rule, 300 mm, one number. Side cutting pliers, 150 mm, one number. Eyelet crimping, that is closing pliers, 200 mm with former 4 eyelets having inner dia of 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 mm, one number. Procedure. Task 1. Crimping of lug connector. Collect the cable, that is fine multi-strand copper conductor. Collect the spade connector suitable to the core thickness and terminal size of 6 mm dia. Twist the strands of the wire lightly in the same direction as in the original. Select the crimping pliers that matches with the terminal size. Clamp the spade connector with the crimping pliers in the matching position of jars. Apply sufficient pressure in the handle of the crimping pliers to press the lug connector fully.
Dear students, you might have known how to fix the lug at the cable ends.